Running out here on Sunday to pick up a Polaris Outlaw 50. It was on Marketplace. This is the time of year, guys. You see a kid's ATV for cheap and it ain't running, you might as well buy it. Maybe give her a tune-up or just buy it and sell it like it is. You don't even have to. If I wanted to, I could bring this home and just sell it like it is and make 250 bucks. And I'm driving 30 minutes one way. So get up in there, dudes. I'm gonna show you how it's done. Hopefully we're gonna tune up this little Outlaw, beat on it a little bit, and then make some money. If you're watching, click that subscribe button, be sure and share, and get up in there. There's a lot more videos on the channel, 300 of them maybe. Appreciate you guys. Whew. There she is, Polaris Outlaw 50. Let's see if she's gonna run. A little starting fluid, let's see if she'll crank. Nope. Try this. Is she gonna run? The air filter's relatively clean. Got the old Milwaukee here. I know it's gonna freak a lot of people out. Go through the carburetor, get this sucker cleaned up. Check this out. I run out to Home Depot the other day and they had an electric ratchet in the wrong spot, so it looked like it was 98 bucks. I grabbed it in a battery that said it was 59. I got to the front, the ratchet was 169 and the battery was 99, so I told them I didn't want it because it was put on the wrong shelf or something along those lines. There's a whole stack of them there. So anyways, I jumped on Amazon. The ratchet was $92. This generic Milwaukee 6 amp 12 volt battery was $23. And I'm in it for about 130 bucks, dudes. Let's see, will it even get up in there? Make sure it's going backwards. See, I almost had to tighten her on accident. Let's see if this makes it any easier. Just a little bit. I'm gonna get in here and pull her out. I got my screwdriver here to adjust the carburetor. Keys on. There she goes. Turn off the choke. Sound pretty good, huh? I don't think I need to mess with the idle. Man, somebody's gonna like that this Christmas. I'm gonna clean that sucker up. Whoo! Okay. All right. It needs to be warmed up just a little bit more than that. There she goes. Listen to that thump. Dang, dudes. That was easy stuff. Easy work. Think it'll carry me? Let's see if it wants to carry 260 today or not. Let's see. Oh no! Shit, almost wrecked. Damn, she runs good. It's good. Ray gonna like this when he gets home. Get up in there, boys. Be sure and like and subscribe. I'm gonna throw it on Time Machine ATV's Instagram. You can own it. Gave her a little wash. I'm gonna let it dry off and then hit her with some SC1. Shoot, boys, get her up for sale. Only one last thing to do with this 50, guys. you think?
It's pretty cool.
Hit that yellow one to turn it off. Silly. See, he didn't really. It's fast, huh? Hope you don't bust, guys.
Long wheelies.
What, you want to try?
Sure.
If it doesn't work, grab both the brakes real quick and let go, okay? Let go of the brake, all the gas. Hit it, hit it. Oh boy. Don't hit my three. Ooh, don't hit that 3-wheel ball. Let go easily. There you go. Perfect. What, you didn't know how to stop? Jump in there, guys. If you want to be on the top 10 list like these badass mofos right here, you need to like, subscribe, share, comment on them videos, guys. Comment on every video in November if you want on this list in December. You got me? Appreciate you guys.